Keynote is part of Apple's iWorks app along with Pages and Numbers. It already comes pre-installed on all iPads and is very powerful with a lot of great uses across the class. Using Instant Alpha in Keynote is a great tool. It helps to remove the background of images, which is great when you're doing presentations or trying to make work individual. So inside Keynote you have Instant Alpha, which is a great tool. It effectively removes the background out of images or any colours out of images, which can be really useful if you want to put your kids in a green screen position and insert them in a picture, or if you're making a presentation and you want it to make it look so much better. So let's have a look here. We're doing presentation on sea creatures, for example. It's going to go and hit plus. I'm going to go to photo. I am going to find the photo that I want of the leatherback turtle. Just going to add that in there, and as you can see, it's kind of not that nice. So I've got a lovely image of the turtle there, but in the background it's in a big blue box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this over here at this side, and move that over here at this side, and if I go up to the format tool on the top, I'm just going to make this image bigger. Format tool on the top here, paintbrush, and choose the picture. I'm going to go to image, I'm going to go to Instant Alpha, and you'll see this drag across colours to make transparent, so it doesn't have to be the background, it can be any colour. I'm just going to drag up carefully and gently as possible. What you'll notice is it's starting to take some of the colours off the background there, but it is starting to take some of the images off, and I just click on those colours that I don't want to be there. So now I've got that image there, it's taken off some of it, and I'm just going to kind of put it on there so it looks like it's swimming onto the page, so that when I went to play, now I now have this image of the turtle, which albeit isn't perfect there, because we've rushed it, it's taken out the background there. Now there are other ways that you could do this. There's a website called Remove Background if you Google it, but this way is just a really nice little quick way of doing it.